Good morning there, YouTube. Well, it's 9:15 down here in Salem, Virginia at Kroger. I've been here since 4 this morning. Apparently the meat department was running behind, so here I am. They just called me in. My appointment was for 5. Well, that's the way it goes. Anyway, I'm going to do a quick review on the Peterbilt dealership out in Joplin, Missouri. I've been there several times. I figured it's close to my house. It'd be good to be able to get my truck fixed or repaired, and it'd be right there, about 18 miles away from the house. Perfect, right? Not so much. I've been into that shop 3 times for the same thing, and what it was, every time I applied my brakes, my truck would pull to the left, like really bad. So went back and they're like, well, this, that, da da da, you know. So it was in for some other work while I was home on vacation in July. Had to have a clutch brake put in, and they kept calling me up because I did have a DOT inspection. Should they fix this, you know, even after I told them, if it's for the DOT inspection, get it fixed. They get everything fixed. Come to find out, my bill turns out to be a little over $3,000, and they claimed they fixed the pull and shaking when the brakes were applied. They never did. Clutch brake worked, but I'm going to touch on that here in a couple minutes. But about 2 months later, truck's still shaking, still pulling to the left. I'm going to try to dig up a picture of what the issue actually was, and what it was, the brake spring itself actually cut a gouge into my hub on my driver's side. And actually one of our mechanics found it, because I just brought it up to him. It took him not even 5 minutes to find the problem. So, and on top of everything, I had one of the techs actually tell me he doesn't look at the work order. What kind of tech or mechanic doesn't look at the work order to see what the customer's saying? I mean, I understand there's some real dummies out there that don't know about trucks. But, I mean, when it says, you know, when brakes are applied, truck pulls to the left, you know, it gives you all kinds of stuff. So, that got fixed out in Salt Lake City. Well, about a week ago, I'm at my receiver. But the truck and park, go inside, check in, come out, my clutch brake gone. I don't have a clutch brake in my truck now. If you're in an automatic, you probably don't know what I'm talking about, so don't even worry about it. You know, and usually you have to pull the entire transmission and put the clutch brake on. And I'm assuming they did not do that. I'm assuming they used a temporary fix, which they have another type of clutch brake that kind of clamps around the drive shaft and locks into place. I'm assuming. I don't know for sure yet, but I'm going to find out because my truck's going to the Peterbilt dealer in Springfield to fix their screw up. But even if it was an actual clutch brake, let's see, July, so this is what, September, 2 months, and the clutch brake goes out, I don't use my clutch. I use it to start and stop. That's the only time I use it. So yeah, I will not be going back to the Peterbilt in Joplin unless they get a whole new mechanical staff, because they You know, they don't want to keep. They won't stay in touch with you. They don't let you know what's going on. Apparently, they don't read the work order. You know, what's the driver supposed to do? I mean, the truck's mine. You know, I know what's going on with it, and you know, they had the tires off, and that's what just blows my mind. Everybody, they had my tires off. Okay, they charged me for 2 brand new steer tires, amongst other things. So yeah, I'm pretty bent out of shape about the whole Peterbilt and Joplin. It's going to be dealt with in a professional manner. I thought about calling them, cussing them out, but that ain't going to do me no good. So I'm going to go through Peterbilt themselves, get the shit straightened out, and take care of it that way. So yeah, guys, know your trucks. You know, it's, I know a lot of you, you know, or company or just regular lease but you know, you guys can't even change a gland hand seal or a light bulb. You know, you're afraid to get your hands dirty. I'm just saying some of you, so don't go getting all fucking butthurt because I'm saying this. I mean, hell, some of y'all can't even tie your damn shoes because you're wearing damn flip-flops all the time while you're driving. I just thought I'd throw that in there. But anyway, guys, get to know your trucks. You know what it sounds like. You know, some of these jokers with these monstrous speaker systems. Okay, if you're blaring damn music while you're driving, how are you going to hear what's going on with your truck? Per se, you have a blowout. Not all blowouts are extremely loud. I had one where it actually took me a minute or two to realize what happened, because when I checked my mirror, I seen sparks coming off my trailer. You know, so just be safe about things, guys. And again, this isn't all Peterbilt dealers. This is just my gripe against the Joplin Peterbilt dealership. You know, what's going to come of it, I don't know. I know they probably, you know, I'm pretty sure Springfield, once they get my clutch brake straightened out, they're going to turn around and charge the Joplin shop again for doing it the right way. Because like I said, even if they put, you know, actual fixed or an actual new clutch brake in my truck, you know, they shouldn't do this 2 months later. And not to mention, I had asked them when they pulled the shaft to check my clutch, and if it was over 50% wear, to replace it, which they never did, because he even told me he didn't read the work order. Anyway, you guys be safe. I'm waiting for these guys to unload me so I can start making my trek back to the house in Missouri. Anyway, guys, stay safe. Remember, pay attention to your truck. Other than that, keep the shiny side up, dirty side down, keep between the lines.